Hey guys, it's Ryan from Course Motorsports. Today we're going to be doing an install of our direct fit phone mount in this 2020 Kia Soul. So for this install, you're going to need a trim tool like this and a Phillips head screwdriver. It's pretty simple. The first step, you're going to take your trim tool and get right underneath the radio bezel here, like so. Pry that off a little bit, and then you can just work your way around with your hands. Pry the rest of this bezel off. And it'll come out with your vents and everything. You can set this aside. Next step is going to be to loosen one of the radio mounting screws, which is actually right there. Perfect. So we're going to take this one out. And it might be a good idea to have a magnetic screwdriver so you don't drop the screw. It's kind of far back. Take it out like that. And your bracket's going to look just like this. Put your screw through the hole, and you can get your screwdriver back on, like so, and then put that back right in the hole it came out of. And you want to make sure before you tighten the screw all the way that this jog is lined up with the crease in the radio here, like in the surround like this. Hold that there, and then snug the screw up. So, then we can take our trim and we just clip it right back in. Just like that. Now the bracket itself is installed. You can open up our box of goodies. There'll be a steel ring in here. You can use this. If you don't have a MagSafe device, you can stick this to the back of your phone using the provided alcohol pad to clean it off. We have a MagSafe device today, so we can skip that. There'll be a course sticker, the QR code on the back. This will take you to our website. First thing we're going to take out is the ball. That's going to thread on to the stud, like so. And then we can take our included Allen wrench out, snug it up so that it doesn't loosen. We'll take our head option out of the box, take it out of its little baggie. On the back, there'll be a locking collar. This will come off all the way. This will slip over the ball. Then the head will slip over the ball as well. And you can take your locking collar, tighten it back down. Like that. This is where you can angle the mount where you'd like. Sort of like that. Tighten it down. Then you can take your phone, put it right on.